Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Naston rectangular frame swimming pool. Want to enjoy normal summer fun at home? This swimming pool is a great choice for you and your family. The swimming pool is made of thick PVC material, which is strong, durable, and safe. This swimming pool can replace more complex steel wall swimming pools and is also a more durable alternative to inflatable models. It is most suitable for use on a level surface. Do not set the pool in sand, mud, or any soft or loose soil conditions. Product benefits. The swimming pool is made of PVC and polyester mesh cloth, which is durable and comfortable. The pipe frame structure makes the swimming pool more stable. Easy to assemble, it only takes 30 minutes to fill the water. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.